Crypto mining is a process. This process uses computers. These computers solve complex problems. Solving these problems creates new cryptocurrency. It is similar to how gold is mined from the earth. But instead of digging for gold, we use computers to mine for digital coins. Imagine a giant puzzle. This puzzle needs many people to solve it. Each person who helps solve the puzzle gets a reward. Crypto mining is like this. Your computer helps solve the puzzle, and you get rewarded with cryptocurrency. There are different ways to mine. You can mine alone. This is called solo mining. Or you can join a group. This group is called a mining pool. Mining pools work together. This makes mining faster and easier. To mine crypto, you need the right tools. The most important tool is a computer, but not just any computer will do. You need a powerful computer. This is called a mining rig. Two main types of hardware are used for mining: ASICs and GPUs. ASICs are like specialized tools made just for mining. They are very good at it, but they can only mine certain types of cryptocurrency. GPUs are like general-purpose tools. They can mine different types of cryptocurrency, but they are not as fast as ASICs. Besides a computer, you also need other hardware. A motherboard is like the foundation of your mining rig. It connects all the other parts together. A CPU is like the brain of your mining rig. It tells everything what to do. RAM is like short-term memory. It helps your CPU work faster. A PSU is like the heart of your mining rig. It provides power to all the other parts. Building a mining rig is like putting together a puzzle. You need to connect all the pieces in the right way. First, you need to install the CPU and RAM on the motherboard. Then, you need to connect the PSU to the motherboard and other components. Next, you need to install the GPUs using special connectors called PCIe risers. Finally, you need to connect your mining rig to a power source and the internet. Once your mining rig is built, you need to install software. This software tells your mining rig what to do. There are many different mining software programs available. Choose one that is compatible with your hardware and the cryptocurrency you want to mine. You'll also want to join a mining pool. This helps you earn rewards faster. To get the best results from your mining rig, you can optimize it. This means making changes to improve its performance. One way to optimize your mining rig is to overclock it. This means making it run faster than it was designed to. However, overclocking can also make your mining rig hotter and use more electricity. Mining cryptocurrency can be profitable, but it also costs money to mine. You need to pay for the hardware, electricity, and cooling. The profitability of mining depends on several factors. These factors include the price of cryptocurrency, the cost of electricity, and the difficulty of mining. Crypto mining is a fascinating world. It can be a rewarding experience. If you want to learn more, hit the like button and subscribe. I encourage you to do your own research. There are many resources available online and in libraries. Good luck and happy mining.